Well, hello. So this is me. I have checked in. I'm at a Best Western hotel for just one night. Right. Good job. Good job. I remembered to put something on after the shower. Huh? There's mirrors everywhere in this room. It'd be very embarrassing otherwise. And right. So let's have a little tour of a room, shall we? So the tea making facilities. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 cups. So, just the one person, but one room for the night. Okay, this is the room they've given me. La la, get ready. Da 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 la. Right. Let's put some more lights on around here. I got a double bed. And 1, 2 single beds. Oh, are you sure you've got enough beds in this room? TV and safe. The safe door was left open and I checked inside. Anybody left $1 million in here? Shit, it's empty. So, yet another mirror. And then I come in here. And we have the bathroom. There's yet another mirror. And yeah, very nice. Walk-in shower, which has been used. Yeah, okay. 3 beds. Now, it's gonna take me 2 hours just to decide what bed I'm gonna sleep in tonight. What the hell? Anyway, I was in an easy hotel 24 hours ago, which was like a broom cupboard. No storage. The shower stroke toilet was smaller than a broom cupboard. This is completely the opposite. And I bid ye good night.